Hi, my name is Joe with Agent Innovative Interiors. In this video I want to show you how to measure for your doors sizes, for your height and width, how to order through our website as well. I'm going to explain that a little bit. It's very simple. So what you need to know when you're doing a cabinet refacing, you just need to order doors and drawer fronts for your opening sizes, existing opening sizes. So this one is, the width is 12 inches, the height is 27 inches. So this door right here, it has a half-inch overlay. So on total overlay it's 1 inch. If half-inch for this side and this, it's going to be total 1 inch. Same thing for top and bottom. So then the height of this door is 28 inches and then 13 inches width. It's very simple to softly close. So this hinges you can also purchase through us, and you can just include the count of how many hinges you need. So we'll provide those as well with your doors and drawers that you're ordering. So feel free to call us or to email us if you have any other questions. Also subscribe to our channel.